you looking for doily ideas to be able to do the mini challenge in the challenge? Here's some ideas, just in case you can't just run to Dollar Tree. Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have several people having trouble finding doilies to be able to do the challenge in the challenge. So I have a couple ideas for you. You might have a piece of lace that'll have a little flower on it. So you could go in and just cut your little flower. Your doily can be any size. So of course you can purchase them at Dollar Tree. I've seen them in like by the wrapping paper, and sometimes just randomly hanging around. So that will count. That's a doily, sort of. But it's going to count for this challenge. Or you might have a tablecloth or a dress that you can cut out. I just got this dress for $1 at our Goodwill. Everything with a white tag was $1. So this dress has all kinds of flowers and circle-y things in it. So I'm going to count this as, so you can cut up a lace tablecloth or something like that and have a doily. Okay, sorry. So just like that, that would count as a doily. This one, that's half of one. That was from a tablecloth that I have. So now we've cut into this dress. Another thing you could do is you could take a piece of lace and you can go ahead and turn it into you know, a yo-yo. So you could gather it and have it go round, be round. Of course on this one you could cut out that rose. That would count. Let's see. You might have, just to jog your memory, in your Valentine's Day stuff or your Christmas stuff, you might have some heart doilies. Another thing that you can, or if you do cakes, you might have this stuff that goes around your cakes, and you could use that, because like on one of my tags, I only used part of a doily. One other, well, you could do like a snowflake, do the folding thing and cut out like a snowflake and have a doily. Or you can go ahead and, if you have a scallop, anything, punch. So you could use that and then come in with a hole punch and just go around and punch holes. Okay, and make your own doily. You could even cut the center out of it. Maybe. Okay, so one other thing, is that I did give the August Altered Junk Journal Challenge group, when we reached 100 members, I put a file in the group that has a doily and a cookie recipe, so that doily could also count, and you could print that at wallet size and have it be, it'll end up being pretty small, or at 3.5 by 5 or 5 by 7, probably be about that big, and then of course the 8.5 by 11, it comes out that size. So those are some ideas of things that you can do and to have a doily for this challenge. I am going to count, you know, cutting something out of lace, because in the junk journal world and in the world of back in the day, you did with what you had, and so you might cut a rose out of a rescued wedding dress and have that be a doily. So we are going to count that, and so that is for the mini challenge and the challenge 1 for the August Altered Junk Journal Challenge. So yeah, so tablecloth, clothing, lace, gathering lace, cutting something out and just making your own doily, or of course folding like you would a snowflake. You know, you remember folding for a snowflake, and you'd start with the square, and then you'd fold it and fold it and fold it. Well, of course, with that one, you're going to end up with lines, but that's okay, right? So you just keep folding it. And maybe one more time. And then come in and so you remember how you used to make a snowflake? I don't know if I can get anything to punch through this mini. That one won't even go on it. This one will punch. This is the magic puncher right here. See that? Woohoo! Maybe 2 or 3 of these holes. So there you go. You can make your own doily. Ta-da! Made my own doily. Wow. There you go. So, yeah. Which one did you like the best? Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Show me in the group if you actually make your own doily. And where do you find your doilies? There was a question actually posted in the group. So go ahead and let her know. Have an amazing day. Thanks for being here. Bye.